Tired of juggling your phone while working out, cooking, or following tutorials? The Pop Mount phone stand holder lets you go completely hands-free by securely mounting your phone to any smooth, vertical surface. Whether it's your stationary bike, kitchen cabinet, or bathroom mirror, this versatile mount keeps your phone exactly where you need it. What sets the Pop Mount apart is its strong adhesive that sticks firmly to surfaces without bulky hardware. It works seamlessly with pop socket pop grips and slides, transforming your phone into a stable stand for recording videos, video calls, or just easy viewing on your desk or wall. No more propping your phone awkwardly or risking it slipping off counters. Installation is straightforward. Simply clean and dry the spot you want to mount, press the Pop Mount firmly for 12 seconds, and then wait 8 hours before attaching your phone. This ensures a secure hold that won't let go when you need it most. The low-profile design blends in smoothly without taking up extra space. One user shared how they use the Pop Mount on their headboard to keep their phone safe while charging overnight. It prevents the phone from falling onto the floor and cracking, something that happened often when left on a nightstand or bed. This real-life example highlights the product's durability and practical design. If you're looking for a reliable phone stand that adapts to your lifestyle, the Pop Mount offers hands-free convenience and peace of mind. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their phone accessible without clutter or risk of damage. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your phone setup with a smart, sturdy mount. Try it when you're ready to enjoy hands-free freedom wherever you go.